So, hey, man, get through that, man. More important, that's what's supposed to continue. But, I mean, like I said, I never really listened to neither one of them like that. Sauce Walker was just funny as hell. And the Chico, yeah, I never really listened to him. I didn't even know who that was. But, yeah, man, just doing a little daily thingy thing on YouTube. But, hopefully them boys pull through, man. I don't know if I think it was like, I don't know if it's an argument, a scuffle. I'm pretty sure some flex and stuff, bro. I bet. But like I said, that Chico probably has his own stuff going on anyways. Being from Texas, having money, it seems like everybody in Texas with money. You feel me? Be having some type of controversy. Only person I ain't seen getting nothing yet, really. I never heard nothing really about is Zillionaire though. But I'm pretty sure sooner or later, Zillionaire though. You know, I don't know. But hopefully Zillionaire though will just get that money, bro. Cause bro, music really like that. I heard he only. I thought he was 17, but somebody said he was like 22 or something. But, subscribe though.